Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simultaneously record a video and read your script using the CapCut Mobile. So here, what you need to do is open the CapCut and then click on expand on the menu here and choose the teleprompter menu. Click on that. Okay, so in here you can just edit the script into your own script. So this is the default script from CapCut. So by using the teleprompter, you can it can help you remember your lines, because you can just paste your lines in here, and it will also if you want, you can just click on done. Here you can also change the duration on, for example, you want to record a 60 or 1 minute video, click on this. And if you want to just one shot, click on one shot, and after that you can just click on this camera icon and start recording your video while you reading the script in here. Okay, when you're done, click on stop. And that's it. This video will come up, and if you want to edit the video, click on edit at the bottom. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.